Hi, I'm Tara. Today I'll show you the best method for washing wigs, some of the best products for shine and longevity, as well as some tips and tricks to help you along the way. First question a person might have is, how do I know when to wash my wig? How often should I wash it? The thing is, everyone is different. Some people sweat more, some less. Some people work out more, some less. We all have different lifestyles. Environmental factors, along with sweat, can cling to the wig hair. This makes it smell unpleasant, so then it's time to wash. For this process, you're going to need a few things: a sink, shampoo, conditioner, and a towel to dry the hair. We recommend Pro-Gen Nutrifuse Women's Nourishing Shampoo for a nice and safe clean, and Purador Biotin Conditioner for nice shine and longevity. We offer both of these and more over at our website at www.superhairpieces.com. Make sure to use cool or tepid water for the entire process. Hot water can potentially damage the hair and dry it out. The first thing you want to do is fill up the sink or a big bowl with cool water and pour in a few drops of shampoo. Then mix it around until you see some suds. Next, you want to hold your wig by the base and dunk it in the water a few times. After that, you want to rinse the wig with cool or tepid water. Then go back and dump it in the shampoo water for a second round of cleaning. For this part, you can either run the wig under cool or tepid water, adding it to the water you already have, or drain the sink and add new water with a few more drops of shampoo. Use whichever approach you prefer, but doing 2 rounds of shampoo dunking is required for both options. Once you've done 2 rounds of shampooing and rinsing, drain the sink, fill it with water, and this time add a few drops of conditioner. You're going to want to repeat the same process you did with the shampoo. Hold the wig by the base and dunk it in a few times. Leave the conditioner in for more of a deep conditioning, or rinse it off to get a squeaky clean. Next, you want to grab your mannequin head and place your wig on it. If you don't have a mannequin head, you can purchase one from our site at www.superhairpieces.com. Dry it with a brush and a hairdryer using low heat. One thing to remember, synthetic wigs will naturally return to their shape, but human hair wigs must be styled to get the style you're looking for. You can also use a round brush to add a little bit more volume to your wig. Finally, you can leave your wig until you need to use it again. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also join our private Facebook group for discounts and new tips. I'm Tara, and thanks for watching. I hope you found this info useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye!